Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus for April 2021. The regular glam bag, this is a $12 a month subscription. In here we should have 5 sample size products catered to our beauty profile. The Glam Bag Plus, this is a $25 a month subscription. In here we should have 5 full-size products catered to a beauty profile. This Glam Bag Plus, this is my normal profile, so more neutral makeup, comfortable with makeup, correct age, hair color, eye color, all that stuff. This bag right here is me. And then for the Glam Bag profile, I have different age, hair color, eye color, interested in more adventurous makeup, all that stuff. So this is somebody else. And this right here is me. The point of this video is just to see, number 1, does your profile matter? And number 2, which one is the better subscription? 9 times out of 10, I tend to lean towards the regular Glam Bag, but a couple times the Glam Bag Plus has won. So it's just sort of like a competition that I have with my own self, in my own head. If you are new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will have it displayed right here on the screen for you, as well as the estimated sample size value if it is a sample, and the full price value if it is full price. We'll add it all up at the end, see which one's a better deal, see the total value, all that stuff. If you are new here or you've been here for a while and you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button right down there, it means so much to me. 75% of you are not subscribed, so hit that button. Okay, we will start with the regular Glam Bag. This is the bag this month. It looks like coral reef or some sort of underwater thing. Anyways, it's really cute. And then this looks like little lips, doesn't it? Tell me if I'm wrong. That looks like lips to me. So the Glam Bag, the regular Glam Bag, will have a little card here that has everything we're getting, as well as their full-size value. The other bag will not have any information about any of the products in there. It makes no sense. I complain about it every month. Welcome to my channel. Okay, let's just go ahead and pull out the first thing right on top that I'm seeing. This is from Item Beauty, which is cruelty-free. This is the Fast Pass Natural AHA Cleanser for oily and combo skin. There's the packaging. I've tried, what do I have from them? A bronzer and a face, like misting spray. I really like the bronzer a lot, so let's see what this is. It's like a cleanser. It says for oily or combination skin. It doesn't really smell like anything. I'm probably going to pass this on just because I have neither oily nor combination skin. I have real dry skin. So I may use it. I may pass it along. I could probably get through that honestly in like two goes. But I don't want to dry out my skin any more than it already is. So I probably will just end up passing this along. This, which is interesting because I'm pretty sure on their quiz, like you take like a skin survey, and I don't think I lied about like what kind of skin I have. So that's interesting. Anyways, the full size is $18 for a cleanser. I don't know if that's worth it. I think you can find much more affordable, good drugstore cleansers, but maybe this is really great. But for me, probably be a pass. Okay, moving right along. Looks like there's another skincare item in here. This is from Verify. This is the 2020 Phytoglycogen and Peptides Eye Cream. I maybe have this full size thing. I have something that's Verified 2020. Maybe that's just the brand name. It's something that's full size that I'm waiting till I use something else to open it up, but I can't quite recall if it's an eye cream or not. I'm not sure. I have so much product that it's hard to even remember what I have. But this is a nice, size eye cream. Eye cream tends to be expensive, and oh gosh, it's coming out, so I'm going to close that right back up. And you use so little of it, so this could honestly last you quite a while. The full size is $60.38, which is a very interesting full price value. So yeah, I'll give it a go. I'll try it out. That's right on par with eye creams. They're just expensive no matter what brand you go with, really. Okay, moving right along. Let's pull out this. This is from Thrive Cosmetics, which is cruelty-free. This is a lip filler lip liner, which I've tried a couple of these from them, and I actually like them quite a bit. I don't quite know if I have this color. This is the shade Gislawn. I don't think I have this color though. This is it says plum / mauve on there, so I might have this color. I don't know, but I do like these, so I will definitely use it either way. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. There it is. So yeah, it's just a lip liner that you can in turn just fill in your lips with, so it's like almost a lipstick. So I really, really like these. I definitely will use this. I believe this may be full size. Yeah, so it's full size, valued at 20 bucks, which is kind of overpriced for a lip liner, but I do like this brand a lot, and I do like this lip liner, so definitely will use that. All right, let's pull out the next thing. Looks like another skincare item. This is from Gold Fat and MD, which I don't know if they're cruelty-free. They are cruelty-free. It says on the back. This is the Solution Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. And it's interesting because at the top it says it's for dry and aging skin, which I obviously am dry and I'm aging. But the last thing I had was for oily and combination skin, so that's kind of weird. Anyways, this is just a, like, I feel like, yeah, it's just an overnight moisturizer. I could probably use this in like 3 nights. It's like not even, it's a little more than halfway full. I'm not sure if you can see the packaging. Sorry, this light is so bright, these ring lights. I don't know how people do this all the time. Anyways, the full size is $85. I don't think I would pay that personally. I don't know. Have you ever tried this brand? Is it any good? I would love to know. I don't know anything about them. I don't believe I've ever tried anything from them. All right, and we have one last item in here. This is from Koki Cosmetics, which I think is cruelty-free. I'm fairly certain this brand is cruelty-free. This is the Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow Ombre. Oh, sorry, the rest is in a different language. I should have stopped reading. So anyways, this is just like a liquid eyeshadow. I don't think I'm going to use this, guys. I have a couple of things like this already, and I just typically don't reach for them. If you don't know, I have hooded eyelids, which means you basically can't see my eyelids when my eyes are open. And things like this, especially the liquid ones, they really make like my eyelids stick to like the top of my eyes. I don't know. I just don't reach for these things. It's just not something that's really compatible with the type of eye I have. I don't know. Does anybody else have that issue if you have hooded eyelids? I mean, I can get up close to the camera and show you. Like, my eyes are open. See that how you can't see like hardly any of my, there's my lid, and then I open it, and then there's no, like, you can't see it. It's just not for me, okay? Anyways, this is full size and it's $6. Pretty affordable. Not bad. Okay, so that's everything in the regular glam bag. Very skincare heavy, which is not the worst thing. It's not the best thing. It's just middle of the road for me personally. Let's get into the Glam Bag Plus. Again, we have the same little bag, only it is a little drawstring type deal. These are cute. I really like these. Although I wish these boxes would just go to like no bag at all, personally. It would just be better. I thought I had a repeat for a second. I was like, what? So I'll go ahead and just pull out the first thing I'm seeing. This is also from Item Beauty, which we already discussed is cruelty-free. This is Overdue. This is the Extra Intensive Moisturizer for Dry Skin. This is right at my alley. So this is the kind of thing I need because I am old and crusty. I really love the packaging of this brand. Like, almost everything is this orange, and it's just really nice. And I don't even like the color orange. Oh, great. It's a pump. It is a moisturizer, so I'll go ahead and we'll see how it feels. I love that it's a pump, though. It is not scented, which if you're like me and sometimes you don't love a fragrance in your skincare, this is great. Okay. So I'm rubbing it in, and it feels very lightweight, and it doesn't feel super greasy or anything. Okay, moving right along. Let's pull out the next thing I'm seeing. This is from Bell and Argent, which I believe is cruelty-free. This is the Nude Intuitive Vision Panchromatic Eyeshadow Palette. So there's the packaging. It's got some lady's face on it. You can see right there. Let's see what a panchromatic eyeshadow palette entails. Okay, so here is the eyeshadow palette. I am not drawn to this. It's pulling more like gray on camera, but it is like brownish, like cool tone browns. I'm not really into this right now for some reason. I'm like just not, this is not inspiring to me. This would be like a great fall palette, but I don't think it's a great like spring slash summer palette for me. So this is gonna be a pass for me. It is pretty, it's just, you know, not my jam. Not everything is gonna be for everybody, right? So, I mean, generally I see why they picked that for me because I am a neutral bitch, but just when you have so much makeup, you can become more picky with what you have and you're like, yeah, I don't need that. I definitely do not need that. Alrighty, moving right along, let's pull out the next thing. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay, so this is a 5-piece brush set, which typically I would not be excited for, but my most favorite eyeshadow brush of all time that I'm pretty sure I got in like one of my first ever Ipsy bags is from this brand. It's like the brush I will just keep reusing over and over for eyeshadow. This is from the brand, I think you say it Beau, B-E-A-U, which is like boo, like bow, like my bow. Gachis, G-A-C-H-I-S. That's how I say it. I don't know the correct way to say it. But their brushes, at least the one that I have, so good. I don't know what it is about it. Like I can't use any other eyeshadow brush but that one. I actually need a new spoolie. Mine is like coming out and the paint chipping out the thing. But this is nice because it also has the angled brush at the other end, which I typically use because I've been using a powder for my eyebrows lately. So I use the angled brush. Even if I don't use a powder, I use a pomade and I still use an angled brush. So that's great to have like the spoolie and the brush that I would use on one brush. So double-ended brown number 7 is what that is. This one right here is a tapered blending number 7. This one right here is the illuminator number 7. I'm gonna quit saying number 7. This one is the crease brush. And then the last one is the concealer brush. So yeah, I definitely love these. They feel really high quality, honestly. If you've ever gotten like a Luxie brush or something like that from an Ipsy glam bag, which is like typically the brushes you get, this feels even nicer than those. Like it feels really, really high quality. I am pumped to have these. I don't know what it is about that brush, but I can't quit it. Anyway, so excited to try other brushes from that brand. Maybe get a new favorite eyeshadow brush. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is a shampoo bar. Oh, awesome. Okay, so this is from Soapbox. This is the Argan Oil Control and Soften Shampoo Bar. Okay, they are cruelty free, so that's exciting. I kind of figured they would be. So if you've never tried one of these, basically, let me take it out of the packaging. So basically this is, instead of using like a big plastic bottle for shampoo, you use this. It's like soap that you would use on your body, but you use it in your hair. It lathers up, you wash your hair, and then instead of like producing more plastic, which is terrible for this planet, you just have like the cardboard, and there is one piece of thin plastic in there, but you're not like using a whole giant bottle of it. So I have tried other shampoo bars. I like them. Conditioner bars are a little more difficult for me. If you know of a good conditioner bar, let me know, because I can't find any that make my hair feel like detangled, if that makes sense. So I also like the conditioner bars for shaving. So that's what I've been using. The one I have that I don't really love for my hair, I've been using it for shaving, and it like keeps your legs conditioned and smooth, and I don't know, it's really, really, really great. Okay, so I'm excited to get that. It smells a little bit like powder, which is not my favorite scent, but I'm not mad. Okay, and we have one last item in here. This is from the Balm Cosmetics, which is cruelty free. This is the Balm in the Beautiful eyeshadow palette. There it is. I really love the Balm's packaging, and their shadows are okay. They're pretty good. I've tried a couple from them. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay, so there's the palette again. Not super inspiring to me. Very cool toned. Well, this brown is pretty warm, but overall, I don't know. I'm not into it right now. I may save it and try it later, but I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to take some time to think about this, but initially, like, not really what I'm looking for right now. So, let's see. Overall, I like this bag. I think it's weird that I got 2 eyeshadow palettes. I'm excited for the item moisturizer. I will definitely use that. I'm excited for the shampoo bar. We'll also definitely use that. Most excited for these brushes, which is so weird because I have so many brushes, literally like too many brushes, and I'm really excited to get brushes from this brand, which I really, really like. And it's nothing, I never hear anybody talking about this brand. I have never heard one person on YouTube ever mention this brand, but these brushes are so, well, I don't know about these ones, but the one that I have, that one lone brush from this brand that I have, I really, really like. So I'm pumped to have that. I think, in my opinion, this month the winner is the Glam Bag Plus, just because there's things in there that I really, really like. I don't think the regular Glam Bag was bad by any means, but it was very skincare heavy, and I just prefer the Glam Bag Plus this month. Okay, but now it's your turn. If you get this bag, number 1, let me know what you got in your bag. And let me know if you don't get this bag and you want to talk about it, let me know what you thought of my bags. If you thought the Glam Bag was better, let me know. If you thought the Glam Bag Plus was better, let me know. But yeah, I think that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. And like I said earlier in the video, if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, eventually more dogs once I'm out of this room, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.